The rest of the clues must be in Rome. Let the adventure begin! Wow, what a beaut. G'day, I'm looking for a bloke named Cornelius.
Oh, you are the one with the map. Yes.
I am. You must be Mr. Cornelius.
No, Cornelius is no longer with us.
Oh, I'm so sorry for your loss.
No, he is in Barbados on vacation. You may call me Tim.
Oh, okie dokie then. Tim, I was hoping
The answer you seek will be in the ancient gods of old.
I beg your pardon?
When you look upon the ancient gods of stone, you will find the answer you seek alone. Open your heart and become something spreading wings. I don't really remember.
Okay, yeah, nah, I think we're done here. Thank you very much for your time, Mr. Timnelius. This has been very enlightening. Cheers.
Look to the ancient gods.
Huh. Wonder what that weird fellow was going on about. Pegasus!